see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
What's up, guys? This is our first official YouTube video. We didn't get to record the unloading because we had to take back the trailer, but we're first going to start off by cutting the airbags off. So this knee airbag, we're just going to take out all the panels just to take it out and not cut it up. And this we're going to just tuck back in. Good as new. Now we're just going to replace the whole seat, so we're not going to worry about this. So right now, since these are melted, I'm going to have to order a new clock spring, or try to see if I can get these wires out from in here, and then maybe replace these two tabs. But if not, then I'll just go ahead and order a new clock spring, because I don't really want to worry about too much about this unless I have to. So hopefully I can get these wires out of in here and just put new clips on it. So I'm not gonna worry about this right now because I'm gonna take steering wheel and get that off. But first I wanted to do this current airbag. So I had to remove the sun visor. Here it just uses this clip right here. And so I just push them inwards to slide it out. And this side it uses one of these, I'm not even sure the name of it. But yeah, it wasn't too hard. After that, you just disconnect this, and then I'll be able to hold this a little further down, so I can get to the, I believe, 8mm start in the back and 10 in the front. So I got the airbag out. So the clip connects to this end, which is on this side of the Mustang, and it connects to this little cable right here. And you see a little orange piece that's supposed to slide back. So on the clock spring, it doesn't do that because the clips got melted and it's stuck onto there. So there's like 3 or 4 8mm, 2 10mm on this side, and you have to pop a couple clips as you go. But it isn't as hard as I thought, a little easier. So we just have to wait for the airbag to come in, and then we'll put that all back together and we should be done. Well, at least with that airbag. And we'll still need the knee one and the steering wheel. But we have to wait for the clock spring to come in. Alright, so we got the seat out. Well, that side.
This side is the same thing, 4 bolts. They use this bolt, and you just connect the harness. This one had these things that you had to pop out, and should be good to go. So while we have everything out, we're gonna might as well just vacuum up everything, have it clean. So we'll put the seats in. We don't have to worry about before we put this seat back in, we're gonna put the knee airbag in, and it should go like this way, and it should be, well, I guess the harness first. Alright, and there's 3 bolts back here. Just need to line it up, put it in, and then the 2 screws.